Hello guys, welcome back to Linap. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to make a book trailer on Canva. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So you might be wondering how to exactly start creating a book trailer for Canva. Now we all know that promoting a book is something really important. Like for example, if you want to publish a book, the publicity or the exposure is something that actually makes or break if your book will actually succeed. So let's go ahead and discuss how to exactly use Canva to utilize the best out of designing a trailer for your book. Now the great thing about Canva here is they have different formats of creating different designs. Like you can create like photos, you can even like create videos or even presentations here. Now for example, we want to start with creating a poster for our book here. Now, typically speaking, what you can do is you want to go and just click on the search your content or canvas here, or you can go and click on create design top left here, should do the same thing. But yeah, what you need to do here is we want to go and just say it is going to be a book poster. And it should give you the option here to choose one of the following options. Now you have like the landscape option here, you have portrait option, and booklet here. But we want to use the poster portrait here and basically start designing our trailer for this book here. Now, the great thing about this one is there are going to be different designs that you could utilize from. For example, you have this one, you have coming soon. Obviously, there are going to be a lot more here if you click on the use option at the very top here. But you search word to describe what you want to achieve here. But let's go and start from scratch here. Let's go and click on add the element section at the left side here. And maybe we are looking to create a book trailer for a book about the stars. So first things first, let's go and just type in the option stars. Now it's going to give you different options or different graphics here that you could use. Now let's go ahead and click on our design here and let's go and change this to a different color. Like maybe we want to make this into this color here. Now, you could go ahead and just change the option here, the gradient, if you want to a different one, just in case you have a specific one in mind. But let's go ahead and choose a very dark color here instead. Let's go and choose this one, and let's go and make it this way, or sorry, this way would be a lot better. Now, you could also change a few things, change the color as well if you want to. Like for example, if you want to switch them up, like make this black, make this in a blue. So you can see this one. So if you want to switch their positions here, as you can see, let's go and click on the color, make it this way. Yeah, a lot better. Now from here, you could go ahead and just basically start adding your design. So you have graphics here, click on see all and see what we could actually use. Now there are going to be a lot here, like what I said before. Let's go and just start adding them. As you can see, this is our design, our stars here, and you can just basically start adding your text as well. Now, the great thing about Canva here is the limitation here is going to be your creativity. So, for example, let's go and add a text here. Like, for example, let's go and add a heading here. Let's go and change the color as well. And from here, you can go and choose a color for this one. Let's go and choose white. So, you should be able to see it. Let's say there's going to be the stars on our heads. Now, this case you could also add like different elements here. Basically, just add whatever you want. So if you want to add a big star, add this designs here and whatever. So yeah, so just add whatever you want. Now, also if you want to use the already existing designs here that Canva already has, you could basically utilize that. So for example, maybe I want to use this one or maybe this one here. But obviously, some designs are you need to have a pro plan in order for you to use them. So if you want to use that one, you may need to upgrade your plan. Now, for example, let's go and find a new one. Let's go and choose this one. Click on replace current page here. And basically, what you could do is you could basically change a few things. Like, for example, you could add your book cover here. Like, let's say expand this one. Can add your book cover here and add all the information that you want. Like for example, if you're building a book about horror or mystery, you can add or use this design here and add whatever you want. Like for example, let's go ahead and just say it is going to be a crime scene, and you can just add those information here. Like for example, there's going to be some thumb mark here. Now you could also change the transparency, as you can see right now. You can even rotate this if I'm not mistaken. Just rotate this, make it smaller, There's something really interesting here because you could add different elements here that are already existing, that are free here in Canva. So yeah, just in case, for example, if you want to create a video instead of a poster, you can actually go back to Canva here, click on create design here, and from here, let's go and just choose video. From here, let's go and choose video landscape. Now, same thing, we want to set things up in here. Let's go and choose the background. Let's go and choose our color here. And from here, maybe we want to switch, change a few things here. So maybe we want to make it this way. And just basically start adding your design. Now, the great thing about this one is we could actually control how things is going to look like. Like, for example, we want to copy this one. So we have multiple instances of this background. Now, from here, we first want to make this empty. Now, we want to change the time here, maybe 2 seconds that it's empty. And we want to add a text. Let's go add our heading here. Make this a white color. Say, the stars. Let's go say the stars is going to be the name. Let's go and move this around. We want to make this, we want to add this into our second page. Copy, cut this, and Control C to add it in here. Just in case it's not added, you may want to copy, add it in here. You may want to re-add it just in case. Choose white. Say it is going to be the stars. Now you can position this, align this into the center. And from here, we want to make this around like 2 seconds as well. And you can add your animation here, like you can animate. And you want to go ahead and just make this, like for example, this one. Or make it this way. Or shift. Or burst. Or block. Or merge if you want. You also have bounce here if you want. And basically there's a lot. So let's just choose stars. Now for the second option here, let's go and copy this one. And make a new copy of our section here. As you can see, stars. But before that, before making copy, what I want to do here is I want to add our stars here again. So let's go and choose stars. But for this one, what I would recommend you to try doing here is you want to maybe position them in a way, because we'll be using a very specific animation for this one to make it a lot more interesting. So in this case, we're going to choose our graphics here. Maybe I want to use a star. It's kind of more into it, like for now this one. Let's go and drag it in here. And maybe we want to go ahead and just the transparency here, make it more transparent. And maybe we want to make a copy of this one. Let's go and copy it, holding Alt on a keyboard. And from here, what you could do is you want to highlight these two sections and move them up just a little bit here. Now, once you've done that, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and go to our section here. But you could zoom in here by using this one. Or you could go ahead and just basically hold Control and use your mouse wheel here to zoom in to zoom out. Let's go and paste it again since we copied it. Let's go and highlight our elements here. So we just added it. You can just basically move them down if you want. Just in case sometimes they will be quite hidden. Let's go and just stop. We have one, so just in case they are gone, you may want to re-add them. But let's go ahead and basically copy this again, paste it. You have a duplicate here. Let's go ahead and highlight the elements here, move them down. And once you've done that, what you could do is you want to use a very specific transition here. Click on add transition, and maybe we want to use the option here that says match and move. Now in this case, let's go ahead and add our final page here. It's going to be a cover, like so for example, book cover. From here, you could add yours. So for example, let's go add a book here. Add your poster here if you want. So there are going to be different things that you could add here. Like just to give you an example, I'm just going to add a frame here to add our book cover as a template. And we could just say here that we want to add like, let's just use a subheading here instead. And let's go ahead and resize this. Get your copy now. And make this white so we can see this. And as you can see, when we play this one, it's now going to have the animation. And yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe, but till then up. Thank you for watching.